Hey guys, Nikki Siren here. For this review video, I wanted to touch on toothpaste because as far as plastic free goes, that has probably been the most tiring of the lot because honestly, everyone makes their toothpaste differently. Um, there's powders, there's regular toothpaste, there's weird paste, clay. There's a lot of options out there. So far, I'm going to be trying a third coming in the mail soon, which I will be going over. That is by Battle Green, which is my heart and soul company. Shout out. But this one that I have currently that I'm reviewing is my favorite. It's taking me forever to find one. It's vegan, which is great. And it comes in this glass jar, and you can send it back to get it refilled, which is lovely. The packaging, however, is not 100% plastic free, but I know that the owner is trying to figure out how to fix that, which is amazing. It's always great to have somebody anybody who owns a company to try to see other options that they might have. I know it's hard to run a business and be 100% plastic free. It's understandable. Like I said, everything counts. Anything that you try, just trying, and one step at a time, baby steps, honestly, because it's really all about building that habit. So anyway, I'm going to open this. It smells good. So it comes with a plastic top, but I keep it because it keeps it clean. So there's that. And then I've already previously used some, but it's like a clay color. I have one of my toothbrushes here to kind of show you what, if I can. Okay. So I just take some out like this. You really don't need much. That's actually a lot. Well, crap. Oh god. Hold on. Struggle's real. And then obviously I'm not going to brush in this video. I just want to show you what it looks like on the toothbrush. I might do a brush video. What? Cooperate, phone. Seriously. Anyway, it looks like that. If it will. Okay, it's not working. But you can see it. It's clay. It looks like clay on my toothbrush. But the reason why I like this one so much is because it kept the minty flavor of toothpaste, which I enjoy personally. It makes my mouth feel clean. And I enjoy the fact that it's on the actual packaging, it says what to do. It tells you how to use it. It also guarantees stronger, healthier teeth and gums, which is always good. It's kind of like a reassurance for me personally. A lot of other ones don't really do that, which I know that sounds silly, but I just like seeing it on the packaging and then almost like feeling, while I'm using it, feeling that kind of reassurance in the actual product itself. A lot of these toothpastes are coconut oil based. I've come across some of them that are way too coconut oil. Almost like a coconut oil mixed with salt. I personally don't like it, but you can try it out. I can leave anything in the comment section for you. I can leave all of the places that I've tried. But I can do another video on this. I just wanted to drop about this particular one. It's by It's by BRC or Robin's Creations. She's super cool. She's super nice. She answers messages. And she's working on getting shipping packaging that's plastic free. So that's pretty sweet. But yeah, thanks so much. And yeah, so here's her company name. I will drop her link in there. Please like and share my videos. And thank you so much. And I am so happy you're on your plastic free journey.